Hi guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. So for today, very special ang i-share kong recipe sa inyo dahil ito ay ang aking famous mango ice cream. At tatawagin natin itong Beat the COVID Heat Mango Ice Cream. Dahil lahat tayo ngayon ay naka-quarantine, medyo umiinit na ang ating mga ulo. So ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo ang pampalamig recipe ng ating ulo. At ito ay ang mango ice cream. Umpisahan na natin gawin. This is a very easy recipe to make, but make sure na meron kayong ice cream maker para hindi manual lang pag-churn natin ng ice cream. And of course, we also need a food processor para i-puree ang ating mangoes. And the ingredients are whipping cream, mangoes, and we have to puree the mangoes. We have condensed milk, evap, and we have cheddar cheese, which is optional. So, ang secret dito sa recipe ito ay ang mangga. So, kailangan ang mangga ay hindi hinog sa pilit. Kailangan ito ay super ripe on its own at super tamis para masarap ang kalalabasan ng ating ice cream. So, ang una natin gagawin is i-puree yung mangoes. And then, ito na siya. Lalagay lang natin. So, ihalo lang natin lahat ng ating ingredients. So, for this recipe, pwede kayong magdagdag and magbawas. Depende sa lasa na gusto nyong ma-achieve. Lastly, ilalagay natin ang ating whipping cream. We don't have to whip it. We just have to mix it with our ingredients. Okay, and then hahaluin lang natin siya. And again, you can add more condensada if you need to. Depende sa tamis na gusto ninyo. Pwede nyong tikman ang inyong mixture to make sure na okay na sa inyo. And then, ililipat na natin siya sa ating ice cream maker. Okay guys, so ito na yung ating bowl. Make sure na it's chilled sa ating freezer bago natin siya gamitin para maganda ang kalalabasan ng ating ice cream. Okay, so kung ready na yung ating ice cream maker, ihalo lang uli natin yung ating mixture. Just to make sure na lahat nahalo natin ng mabuti. Okay, pag nahalo na natin, pwede na nating i-transfer sa ating ice cream maker. Then, ilagay lang natin yung takip. And then, we will turn this on for about 20 to 25 minutes until mag-churn na yung ating ice cream. So, at this point, if maglalagay kayo ng cheddar cheese, sprinkle nyo lang siya para mahalo siyang mabuti. It's totally up to you if you wanna add this. You can totally skip this one if you want plain mango ice cream. But for me, I just wanted to put that extra flavor or extra kick sa atin. Okay guys, so ready na ang ating ice cream. Ita-transfer ko lang siya sa bowl and then tikman na natin. Okay guys, tikman na natin ang ating ice cream. Sarap guys, perfect. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. And of course, yung mango and yung cheese bits niya, it's perfect. Thank you guys for watching this video. And of course, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. See you guys again. Bye!